In this video, I'd like to discuss the Textiles Sewn Applique product. The Textiles Sewn Applique product combines both the sewing from the sewing product and the heat press from the transfer product. It is often used with things like Greek letters or when you're sewing a fabric onto a particular textile. If we're in an estimate within control, looking at the textiles product, once we've entered the textiles that the applique will be sewn to, and for further information on this, please preview the training video on the textiles product. Under quote type, the last one is sewn applique. Once we've selected sewn applique, the first option is the type. The default would be 4-inch Greek letters. If you have different die sizes or different things you want to do for different designs, you would just set up different types. If we're doing the location and what the applique will be, and this could be a list of a number of appliques. At this point we're doing the Greek, and so this is basically our Greek alphabet. The font, and this would be based off the font options that you have available. Stitch type. The foreground fabric type is defaulting based off of our sewn applique type. It could be changed at this point. And then the color of that fabric, and then the color of the thread. The background fabric, and again this would be a customizable list of your colors, and it would be your fabric types that you carry. Same with the thread, and if there's a specific color for that, or it can be typed in. This gives us our main appliques, the lambda, delta, beta, in satin, stitch, or zigzag. If we go into more options, this would be for extra text, such as if we at the front bottom, I'll just change this to say front bottom. The thread type, thread color, font, and what that text will be. If they're adding a crest or a symbol, where is that going to be placed? And what that crest or symbol is. Okay, now that we've filled in everything for the sewn applique, we're including both styles from the product textile selected above. Our pricing method currently is looking at a table-based structure. So if we go into cost-based price details, it's telling us what our table is based on, the price, table price each, any setup charges for a total price. The equipment, the sewing machine and the heat press, are defaulting based off the sewn applique type and could be changed if you had alternatives. The sewing production times, stitch length, sewing time, as well as the press production times. If we're looking at the cost-based pricing, then at this point under your charges it would show you your material charges. This concludes our video on the sewn applique product. If you have any further questions, please review our other videos or contact the Serious Implementation Department. Thank you.